दोनों के बीच में एक रिलेशनशिप था जो उनकी फैमिली सपोर्ट नहीं कर रही थी। तो इसी कनेक्शन में बात चलते चलते बात बढ़ गई और अक्यूज की तरफ से उन्होंने कल प्लान बना के रात को एक जगह वेट करके 5-6 लोगों ने मिलकर अक्यूज को रोक के फेटल इंजरी उनके नेक पे देने की वजह से उनको उसी वक्त ऑन द स्पॉट डेथ हो गई। और इस केस में अभी 6 अक्यूज हमारे कस्टडी में, एक जुवेनाइल है, 5 हमारे कस्टडी में, हम उसको रिमांड कर रहे हैं। फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन भी जारी है कि किस तरीके का क्या एक्चुअल रीजन था, क्या है, और इन्वेस्टिगेशन रहेगा और कुछ और अरेस्ट है तो उनको भी जल्द से जल्द कंप्लीट। Good evening everyone. Yesterday night one murder occurred in Begumpet limits near Pattigadda area. So in that particular case 6 accused have been arrested and they will be remanded today. What we have found from our investigation is that both the accused and the victim's family stay in the same locality and are known to each other. Accused and victim are in fact childhood friends. So recently it was found that one girl from the accused side and this person, the victim, were in a relationship since last 1 year. Their families were disapproving of this relationship, and because of which the tensions between the families increased. Yesterday matters came to an end. Both the families had an argument, verbal argument, after which the accused, along with the main accused A1 Aizaz, along with his other cousins and friends, he hatched a plan and waited for the victim near their house. And nearing to around 12 o'clock, near midnight, this plan was executed, and with a knife, one fatal injury was caused to the victim's neck, because of which he died on the spot. Now, acting very swiftly, within 12 hours, our team has Begumpet Police along with task force has picked up all the accused, have arrested them, and now we are going to remand them. Further investigation is underway in this case, and as in more details coming, more accused if there are, then we will remand them, and if there is any lapse on police part as well, further action will be taken.
Okay. What is the main cause to do this murder?
Main cause is this only, like I said, the girl Neha from the accused family along with the victim were in a relationship since last 1 year, which was disapproved by the family members. Recently they were looking for matches to get her married, and this was something which the victim was against, and he started creating some online accounts also, fake accounts, trying to deter her marriage. And this was something again which increased the tensions between the family, because of which this murder was executed.